Never get stranded again with a dead battery on the road. Best Jump Starter Pack for Motorbike helps riders restart quickly anywhere. Compact, powerful, and easy to carry, it's the must-have emergency tool for every motorcycle adventure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. LIFMOCER GS300 Jump Starter. The LIFMOCER GS300 Jump Starter is a dependable roadside tool designed for drivers who want quick starting power and useful backup features in one compact unit. With a 3,000 amp peak output, it can restart most 12V vehicles in only seconds, including cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and boats. It supports engines up to 10.0-liter gas and 8.0-liter diesel, making it a strong option for both everyday and larger vehicles. One of its best features is the force start mode, which helps revive batteries that have dropped below 2 volts, a major benefit during winter mornings or long parking periods. The LCD display clearly shows remaining battery percentage, so users always know when it needs charging. It also works as a portable power bank for phones, tablets, and USB devices, adding extra convenience for travel. The built-in flashlight includes steady, SOS, and strobe modes for emergencies or nighttime use. Safety is another highlight, with 10 intelligent protections such as reverse polarity, short circuit, overcharge, and spark prevention. Strong jumper cables and quality internal components complete the package, making the GS300 a practical and trustworthy jump starter for regular drivers. Number 2. NACKEO 160 PSI Jump Starter. The NACKEO 160 PSI Jump Starter is an all-in-one emergency device that combines serious jump-starting power with a built-in air compressor. Delivering an impressive 8,000 amp peak current, it can start nearly any 12V VO, including gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 10 liters. This makes it ideal for cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and even lawn equipment. What makes this model especially useful is the integrated 160 PSI tire inflator. It includes preset modes for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and sports balls, while the automatic shutoff feature prevents overinflation, making it helpful during breakdowns or nighttime repairs. Smart jumper clamps with alarms and a built-in display add extra confidence by warning against incorrect connections. 10 built-in safety protections guard against short circuits, reverse polarity, and overcharging. For drivers who want a jump starter, tire inflator, emergency light, and portable safety tool in one unit, the NACKEO 160 PSI offers excellent value and convenience for travel or daily use. Number 3. NOCO Boost GB40 Jump Starter. The NOCO Boost GB40 Jump Starter is one of the most trusted portable jump starters for drivers who value compact size, dependable performance, and strong safety features. With 1,000 amps of peak lithium power, it can instantly start dead batteries on engines up to 6.0-liter gas and 3.0-liter diesel. It is capable of delivering multiple starts on a single charge, making it useful for emergencies or frequent travel. Despite its compact 2.5-pound design, it stores easily in a glove box or trunk without taking much space. The built-in USB power bank can recharge phones, tablets, and other devices, while the 100-lumen LED flashlight offers 7 light modes, including SOS and strobe. These are useful during roadside breakdowns or outdoor activities. It can also charge phones and tablets through USB power output. For drivers wanting a multi-purpose emergency tool with jump-starting and inflation features, the GB40 offers solid everyday practicality. Number 4. Carropecas 4000A Jump Starter. The Carropecas 4000A Jump Starter is a versatile roadside companion that combines battery starting power, tire inflation, and emergency lighting into one convenient package. With a peak current of 4,000 amps, it can restart many gasoline and diesel engines up to 10 liters, making it suitable for cars, trucks, and other larger vehicles. It features an 8,000 mAh battery and dual LED displays that show real-time information clearly during operation. One of its standout features is the built-in 150 PSI air compressor, which helps inflate tires quickly and includes preset pressure settings with automatic shutoff for easier use. Multiple inflation modes and included nozzles make it suitable for vehicle tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports balls. Safety is also well addressed through 11 protection systems, including spark prevention, overcharge protection, short-circuit protection, and reverse connection alerts. The built-in 140-lumen LED light includes flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes, which are useful during roadside breakdowns or outdoor activities. It can also charge phones and tablets through USB power output. For drivers wanting a multi-purpose emergency tool with jump-starting and inflation features, the Carropecas 4000A offers solid everyday practicality.
Number 5. AUXITO 6000A Jump Starter. The AUXITO 6000A Jump Starter is a high-powered portable unit designed for drivers who need strong starting performance and modern convenience features. With a 6000A peak current, it can quickly start all gas engines and diesel engines up to 12L, making it ideal for cars, pickups, trucks, boats, tractors, and heavy-duty vehicles. It performs reliably even in harsh temperatures from -20°C to 60°C, which is a major advantage for year-round use. Its smart digital display clearly shows battery percentage, charging progress, and clamp connection status, giving users better information than basic indicator lights. Its one-touch booster function helps restart low-voltage batteries with minimal effort, while intelligent clamps monitor battery condition and prevent improper connections. Safety is further improved through spark-free operation, insulated clamps, and corrosion-resistant materials. The built-in flashlight offers steady light, strobe, and SOS modes for emergencies or nighttime repairs. Another useful feature is the 12,000 mAh power bank with dual USB ports, allowing phones and tablets to be charged on the go. With powerful output, smart features, and excellent versatility, the AUXITO 6000A is a dependable jump starter for everyday drivers and larger vehicles alike. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.